Ever wondered what beverages can fill your hunger? Well, wonder no more. Here we have a list of the top 25 beverages that not only quench your thirst, but also satiate your hunger. First, we have protein shakes. Packed with necessary nutrients, protein shakes serve as an excellent meal replacement, keeping you full for hours. Smoothies take the second spot. These delightful drinks, often a blend of fruits, vegetables, and yogurt, can keep you feeling satisfied and nourished. Next up, we have meal replacement shakes. These are specifically designed to provide the nutrients of a full meal. They're convenient, compact, and can keep those hunger pangs at bay. In fourth place, it's green tea. Known for its health benefits, green tea also has the ability to reduce your appetite. Fifth, we have almond milk. This dairy-free alternative is not only low in calories but also high in protein, keeping you satiated for longer. Next, we introduce coconut water. This tropical drink is full of electrolytes and can help keep you hydrated and full. Seventh on the list is vegetable juice. A glass of fresh vegetable juice can provide you with essential nutrients and curb your hunger. Eighth, we have coffee. The caffeine in coffee can effectively suppress your appetite. At number 9 is oat milk. This plant-based milk alternative is high in fiber and can keep you feeling full. 10th, we have bone broth. This savory broth is rich in protein and can help you feel more satisfied. Next up, we have skim milk. It's an excellent source of protein and calcium, and it's been shown to help you feel full. 12th on our list is soy milk. Another great plant-based milk alternative, soy milk is rich in protein and can help to control your hunger. Coming in at 13 is chia seed drinks. These beverages are high in fiber and can keep you feeling full for longer. 14th, we have ginger tea. This aromatic tea can help to suppress your appetite. Next up, we have kefir. This fermented milk drink is packed with probiotics and can help to control your hunger. At number 16 is apple cider vinegar drinks. These tangy beverages can help to suppress your appetite. 17th, we have beet juice. This vibrant drink is packed with nutrients and can help to control your hunger. 18th, we have tomato juice. This savory juice is low in calories and can help to curb your appetite. Next, we have whey protein drinks. These beverages are packed with protein and can help you feel more satisfied. At number 20 is cabbage juice. This nutritious juice can help to control your hunger. Coming in at 21 is aloe vera juice. This refreshing drink is packed with nutrients and can help to curb your appetite. Next up, we have carrot juice. This sweet juice is not only nutritious but can also help to control your hunger. At 23 is black tea. This robust tea can help to suppress your appetite. 24th, we have watermelon juice. This refreshing juice is not only hydrating but can also help to control your hunger. Last but not least, we have grapefruit juice. This tangy juice is not only full of vitamins but can also help to curb your appetite. So there you have it, the top 25 beverages that can fill your hunger. Whether you're looking for a meal replacement or just something to curb those midday munchies, these drinks have got you covered.